This video will show how to set up and configure a wireless remote control switch. One channel, 12 volt, model number ZK1PA, which are commonly available from many different Chinese sellers on eBay and Amazon, but never seem to come with any instructions. It works with many different models of 315 megahertz fixed code transmitters or clickers, and particularly those that are based on the EV1527 chip. To begin, you should clear memory on the receiver in case there are already some codes left in it. To do that, you just press the button on the receiver and hold it down. The LED turns red. After about 10 seconds, it'll switch back to green. At that point, memory is cleared. Then, to pair it to your first transmitter, click the button once, press and hold a button on the transmitter. When the LED flashes red 4 times, it's paired. If you want to add one or more additional transmitters, just repeat the procedure. Click the button once, press and hold the button on the transmitter. Once the LED blinks 4 times, it's paired. Once the devices are paired, the receiver is initially in momentary mode. In momentary mode, when you press the button on the transmitter, the relay turns on, and when you let go, it turns off. There are several other modes. The next mode is 2-button mode, and you get there by clicking the switch on the receiver board twice, then push the button on the remote once. The LED will flicker a little bit, and now you should be in 2-button mode. Button A turns it on, button B turns it off. Next mode is toggle mode. Click the button on the receiver board 3 times. Push the button on the remote once. LED flickers. Now when you push A, it turns on. Push A again and it turns off. And the last mode is time interval mode. Click the button on the receiver 4 times. Button on the transmitter once. Now when you push A, the relay turns on, and after a few seconds it turns back off. You don't have to select the modes in order. For example, if I want to go back to 2-button mode now, I just click it twice. And to get back to momentary mode, click it once. And that's about it. Hope that helped.